Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double horizontal line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert double horizontal line in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I go to the line section and select the solid line. Then draw this line horizontally. Press shift on our keyboard to draw this line perfectly. Now we can see we insert a line. Now we want to make this line double. Click the line, then go to the shape format menu. Then go to the shape outline option and go to the dashes section and go to more lines. Now we can see here open a window, format auto shape. Go to the compound shape option and select the double line, then click OK. Then zoom in the document. Now we can see we make this horizontal line double very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.